searching for information. How do I find a particular record?
That's easy. First, go to the tab for the type of record you would like to find. For example, click on the Stories tab, and then click on the Find button in the status bar at the top of the page. The page will transform into a mode that allows you to specify your search criteria. Just enter a value in the field, and then click the Perform Find button. The program will search for all the records and display the results.
Can I omit records that meet certain criteria?
Yes, this is the inverse of finding matching records.
Can I find records before a certain date?
Yes, for this you will need to use the Insert Operator drop-down list, or you may type in the particular operator if you know it. In this case, enter in the less than symbol and then the date you require.
Can I find records in a certain date range?
Yes, this is a very useful capability. The operator for this is the ellipsis, or the ... You may enter a date, the ellipsis operator, and then the second date.
I do a certain search all the time. Can I save this search so I can easily run it later?
Yes. First, click the Find button and enter your search criteria. Then click the Perform Find button. To save the find parameters, go to the Records menu and select Saved Finds. And then from the pull right menu, the Save Current Find menu item. A dialog will appear. Give your find definition a name and click Save. You may now easily access your saved find from the Save Finds button at the right of the status bar. Just click the Find button, then click the Save Finds button at the right of the menu of your recent searches. It will also display any other saved finds that you have created.
I'm done with a search. How do I clear it out to do a whole new search?
Click the Show All Records button in the status bar.
There's a little green pie chart next to the record selector in the toolbar. What's that for?
This is an important part of the application. It gives you the status of the records displayed at any given time. If all of the records under a given tab are displayed, the pie chart will show as a plain gray circle. If it is filtered, then it is a combination of light green and dark green. Next to it, there are two numbers shown. The first is how many records are currently available to be displayed. The second number is the count of all records in the system. In other words, the full set of data is filtered, and you are looking at a subset of the data. For stories, the records are normally filtered to show only stories that are not trunked. If you click on the green circle, it will invert the records displayed. In other words, it will show all of the records that were filtered out. In the case of stories, this would be your trunk stories. To view all the records, just click the Show All button. This completes this video tutorial. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in using the Writer Scribe. Thank you for listening.